Bringing Peace to Conversations, a Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful and meaningful phrase that can transform the way we communicate. Let's bring peace. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning English. It's about learning how to create harmony in our interactions. So, whether you're an English language learner or someone interested in positive communication, this video is for you. Let's bring peace. At first glance, it seems straightforward, but there's depth to explore. This phrase is a call to action, inviting everyone involved to contribute to a harmonious and calm environment. It's often used in situations where there might be disagreement, tension, or conflict, suggesting a mutual effort to create understanding and tranquility. 1. Let's. This contraction of let us is a collaborative invitation. It's not just about one person. It's about working together. 2. Bring. To bring something means to carry or come with it. In this context, it's about introducing peace into the situation. 3. Peace. More than just the absence of conflict, peace is a state of calm, harmony, and understanding. Combining these, let's bring peace, becomes a powerful statement of intent to transform a situation positively through collective effort. In personal conversations, when discussions get heated or misunderstandings arise, saying, "Let's bring peace," can help shift the focus from conflict to resolution. It's a way to reset the conversation and remind everyone of the importance of understanding and respect. In group settings or meetings, in group dynamics, tensions can escalate quickly. Introducing this phrase can serve as a gentle reminder that collaboration and respect are key to productive discussions. It encourages people to listen actively and engage constructively. Online and in written communication, the digital world can often be a breeding ground for misunderstandings due to the lack of non-verbal cues. Using "let's bring peace" in online discussions or emails can signal your intention to engage respectfully and constructively. "Let's bring peace" is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset and a strategy for better communication. By embracing and using this phrase, we can create environments where understanding and harmony flourish. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase but also inspired you to use it in your daily interactions. Remember, peace starts with us, and together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching, and let's bring peace into every conversation.